Chair repair. Alright, we're getting ready to get this anchored with the dowels for this broken leg. Alright, so we've got it clamped down. Now we're going to drill this out. Alright. Alright, now we're going to put some glue in the hole and we're going to glue up a dowel. Alright. And these Q-tips work really good for applying this glue. They're like perfect. Okay. Right, I put glue on that dowel and I left it about a 1/4 inch or so longer. Alright, now we can snap it off. Now this tape, alright, is 1.5 inches up and the overall depth is 1 3/4 inches. That way we'll be a 1/4 inch up above the bottom of the seat. Alright. Okay, we want to give it some space for glue. Alright, we don't want it too tight. Okay, let's get some glue in this hole before we get glue on the dowel. Right, let's get a little pusher stick to get that pushed down in there and mixed around. Alright. Alright, let's get that pushed down in that hole. Okay, get that all around. This is on the stick here. Let's get it down inside. Okay. If I had a little brush, would have worked good for this, I guess. A little paintbrush. Be even better if I had a paintbrush. Alright, now let's get our dowel. You see I've got a slight taper on the end of it. Alright. Some more glue. Alright. Extra glue down here at the bottom because it will push it up on the dowel as it goes in. Alright. A little bit more. Alright, now here we go. Now I'm going to have to go in firm. There we go. Okay, now let's cut this off. Okay. There you go. Nice and clean. Same thing over here. Nice and clean. Alright, now we can dowel the leg. What a deal. Okay, you want to clean up the glue off of here. I will be putting a light stain, golden oak stain on this. So you want to remove the glue. Alright. Completely smoothed off. Okay. I'm going to come up about halfway on the block. See the arrow? Alright, come up here. And then drill through this leg all the way through the block. Then we'll dowel it. Time for another battery. Now these wood drill bits with the center point makes drilling like this in a difficult spot super simple because it doesn't slip. It goes exactly where you want it. Alright, this has been very difficult. I would have had to use a punch and punch a hole, punch a little spot, and anyways, this makes life much, much better and much easier. There's the exit hole on the leg, and it falls in line with this staple. Alright, and this is maple, you're not getting that out of there. I can cut those off, but you're not getting the legs out of it. Okay, so that hole goes right in line with the staple, so I've had to use this metal bit to cut through it. Alright, so I had to change out my wood bit to the metal bit in order to get through that staple. Alright. Alright, we want to get plenty down here at the bottom because it will push it up. Alright, as well as everywhere else. Okay, let's push that in there. Alright, here we go. Alright. Let's tap her in. Alright, now, okay, let's push that through a little more. Alright, I'm going to use a screw to bump this good up close and personal. Okay, you could use a nail. Alright, a little bit more. It's coming out the other side. Alright, that's like perfect. Okay. Alright, we've got it through the other side. Okay. Now it doesn't want to shut off. Okay, you see I've got that C-clamp on there holding that down while I drilled it out. Okay, went through the leg. Okay, now part 3 on chair repair. I look forward to finishing up on part 4, and hope you've enjoyed this little journey. I look forward to hear from you if you have any questions. I really mean it. Feel free to ask. And on these December 10th changes here on YouTube, from what I'm understanding, from what I've listened to today, they're talking about if it's possibly child friendly or child type of a video, then you need to mark it child. You know, I have some wildlife videos. It's family friendly. YouTube needs to just make a family friendly channel, period. For those of us that have family friendly videos. But they don't have that. It's adult for children. Well, there needs to be, this is a lot of family friendly stuff here. And so they need to add this to the equation, and I'm not hearing anybody talk about it. But listen to, there's a lot of information right now to be had, and I may be doing a video on that. I'm not able to go live right now. I need to contact YouTube, and I haven't heard nothing back from them. So I have to find a better way to reach them. So if you have any information how to reach them and get a response from them, I'm needing to do that because I'm unable to go live. But that's a whole other subject. They're just a misunderstanding. So there will be finishing this chair repair. We've just mounted the leg to the seat by doweling it. Where the leg was broke, most people would have thrown that chair away or tried to make another leg, you know, maybe. So I just showed you a quick, easy way to do this and preserve your chairs and make them last a lifetime. So I look forward to hearing from you. United we stand, united we make it happen. So hang tough. Find out everything you can about this, all the new rules here from the FC, Federal Trade Commission, and do your part. All right, bye for now. Take care. United we stand, and united we make it happen here on YouTube.